Is it analog 1?
No, it should be, what's it called?
Headphones?
Focusrite or something like that is the sound.
What do you mean?
Focusrite.
There's nothing called that. Is it headphones Arctic 7?
Huh?
Is it headphones Arctic 7?
No. It's Focusrite. Oh. No, I'm sorry, it is Arctic 7, yeah.
Yeah, it's not producing any sound. I turned on analog 1+2.
No, is, what's it called?
Headphones?
Yeah, Arctic 1, is that working or no?
No, it's not working.
What if you put on my headphones? Is there sound? Is there?
Wait, I'm turning it on. Is the stream muted? No, the stream isn't muted.
I can't hear. Is there sound coming out of my headphones?
No, there isn't.
No?
No. Do you want me to check control panel?
So, go into Discord settings, voice and video. That's going to be the problem then. I have to be right.
The things keep saying stream is full. From earlier, I kept clicking, but I didn't unclick it. Okay, thank you.
I can't hear you. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, I'm fixing it right now.
Is it working?
Oh, the input device is analog 1+2. No, but it's set to the correct one. It's not working, even though it's set to the correct one.
This spike did.
Okay, there we go. It was set to default headphones, but now it's just regular.
This should be Wednesday spike, right? So you want to carry this say forward, right? That's an M carry. I'm sorry.
Okay.
So yeah, I would say this is probably gonna be a good carry forward level, right? If they reclaim this, I mean, this is 30 points. This is probably a candle or less, right? A few minutes. That they would trigger that.
They were there tonight, Shorty.
Oh, they tagged it?
Yeah.
Oh. Wow.
Almost to the penny.
Wow. To test this during the RTH, guys. So, wow, man. I didn't know that level. I took a short at 51 just because of these candles here. I think I took somewhere around here. When they cracked that, I had to stop sell, and I took that. I'm still short.
So you would short that again tomorrow in real-time hours?
And here, yeah, as long as I'm not seeing delta of like 20,000 positive, yes, I would short that. I was reading that there was news that Trump was going to exempt some stuff like chips and stuff, but then they rolled back, and I don't know what's true and what's not true, but we'll have to see what the market. And right now, market's pointing a little bit weaker, I would say. Does everybody understand why I say that? I'm just highlighting my session. Say that.
Sorry, you said it was pointing what?
Right now.
Say again, Shorty. We can't hear you.
It looks weak. Looks weak. Market looks weak. You have a poor low set here, right? You do have some access starting right here at 54.58. So if you turn on your TPOs, you guys will see it. So all of the session 442, you have single prints for tonight. 2 times they came here, they rejected, which was above the value each time. And they sent it back basically to the bottom of the value. You can see it right here, sitting at 421. They bounced. Right now, they're working on TPOC and POC volume. Get above it. They clear that. I would say a quick pump, and then it was going to go probably 440 here again, and that would be again a decent short for overnight session. But right now, they tried 2 times to go higher. They failed. But just remember, when they went higher, they got slammed here back down. So somebody is kind of holding, if you think about it, like a compressed P profile at the moment. So if we do, say, lose this overnight low at 54.10, there's a high chance that we're most likely going to go 53.90 and ultimately all the way down. I would say probably to test this prior value area high, which we need to find anyways on regular.
You got a divergence on that 7 o'clock candle. NASDAQ is higher than, and S&P is lower.
Talking about tonight or?
Yep, tonight.
And did we have a poor low? I'm not sure.
It's a poor low. Definitely. See, probably not on. I don't even know if one will work now with the volatility that we're seeing. Well, let's check.
No, it doesn't.
Shouldn't work. I mean, you have to trade
Is
on
that because
4.
of the volatility? That's why?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, it's moving. Yeah. I would definitely call this a poor low. Say here. And you guys had a pretty good Friday, though. I mean, think about the range on Friday. That's pretty insane. How many points? 3%.
Yeah, we missed you.
That was nice. Long here would be money. This was money here. This was the setup. So we'll definitely watch this, right? So now just take a look at this for a moment. I'll go a little bit bigger here. Just pay attention to where that single prints are and what else is in that area.
Value area high from the previous day.
Area high from the previous day. So what is that telling you? Is that a key level at all?
They're not accepting the value from from the previous day.
Exactly. Yeah. So I would say this is a pretty big zone, guys, to keep in mind for trading, right? And what she's talking about is that you have the value area high from the prior day, which was, I guess, in this case, this was Thursday. This is your Friday. So if you lose these single prints here, which happens to be the value area high or prior day, what is that telling you? Well, it's telling you that you're most likely, at least you're going to go to this zone 5264. And I would say fixing these poor lows, something like this, where you come to this value area low and reclaim it and then trade here is doable. Or reject it and you continue lower, right? Ultimately to the bottom here. Does that make sense? I would say, but this is not a spot to initiate longs. If I was you guys. To crack this zone, to find new buyers, to push this. I would call this, I'll probably call this a 2-day balance, not a 3-day balance. Does everybody understand why not 3 days? I would say not 3 days because, I mean, we spent majority of time here on the bottom. It's massive. I don't know what the hell that was. Candle, and then you built a distribution here. So this is more like a 2-day balance being built here. Values are overlapping. So you could also treat it something like this, and you see us struggling, guys. So I think, they can ultimately explore this all the way down here tomorrow. If they lose this level, let's say 390, something like this. If they lose this, go here and then go here. Ultimately fix this poor low, and then maybe they bounce here. I'm not saying it's certain, but I would expect them to test this level if they don't hold this big one on the first try right here. Does that make sense?
Yep.
I think this path's highly doable if they don't pop out of the gate tomorrow higher. Any bad news will be bad news tomorrow. Well, I'll be live tomorrow, trade, and I plan on actually doing a stock scan on Sunday, just because I think there's a lot of opportunities. I'd rather not do it once a month. You guys are welcome to join. Don't feel like you must, but I'm gonna scan anyways and just kind of look for term portfolio. As you guys know, that's scans, and that's on the portfolio term hold. So
Yeah, Pfizer went down to 20. You're cutting in and out. Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt.
guys are king. Fine.
Can't hear you.
It might go down further more because of the tariff on pharmaceuticals that Trump's been talking about.
I'm pretty certain all buddies are buying this right here. And if they're not, that's fine. I'm gonna keep buying this. I would say on stock market right now on dividends, 0.5%. If they give me 16 on this, at this level,
Oh, your mic is cutting out. We can't
I'm
hear
sorry.
you.
I'm sorry.
I'm guessing he's saying we might drop down to like $16, and if it does, we just load the boat.
Yeah, okay.
Back up the brink stroke, I guess.
Yeah, type it.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Thank you.
Apologize about the mic. To figure out what's going on. I literally just bought another mic.
Hey, Shorty, quick question.
Yeah.
Can you share your chart so I could see your levels? I just been gone for a couple weeks, so kind of want to see.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Thank you, guys. Sorry about the mic.
Thank you. Good
Thanks,
night.
Shorty.
Good night, guys.